Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a purse for Barbie. You can make any size for any doll. Cut it out. If you want your bag to be perfect, bend the paper in half. And cut again around. We need this side. Mark on the paper and cut it. We need to make the lateral side of the bag. This will be the lateral side of the bag. Bend in half and cut a little bit in both sides. Take craft foam with glitter. Transfer the pattern on the craft foam. Cut it out. Cut just a little bit the foam. First, I glue the lateral side. I make holes on the lateral sides. You can use a needle. Open the jump ring. Insert the jump ring on the hole. Glue the other side. Take a piece of Velcro. Glue it. Take a chain. Open the jump ring. I insert the chain. Close the jump ring. This is the purse. I'm gonna glue black rhinestone in front. More. This is the bag. Make more.